Alright, so what we're doing here, guys, bring the phone closer. What we're doing here, guys, we are actually welding the gate, putting a few little extra gussets on to make the connections better. This is very cheap material, that's all they have left. The Chinese steel is all gone. They just don't have a lot of supply left, so we had to do with the extra pipes we had. So we're just trying to reinforce all the edges on this gate. We tried to build a gate, the people wanted to charge us up $1,000 minimum just to give us a fence, so with a few extra pipes, now we got a double gate. So here we go, we're gonna show you exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna weld. It won't hurt the camera to point the camera at the weld, and but it will hurt your eyes if you're watching it without through the camera. What I'm saying. So right now, Gabe's gonna point the phone over at the weld.
Right
so
there.
We'll see you in a little bit. Okay. Go ahead, Gabriel. Is the video going?
What?
I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you. Are you? Is the video going? Are we on? Okay. So just keep it on. Remember, the flame has got to be in the center of the phone. All right. Got it? So here we go. Did you get that?
Yep.
Get the flame. Did you see the flame on it?
Yep.
Huh?
Yep, we got the flame right there.
Alright, so we gotta do a little bit more sacking on the bottom. A big one. And then we'll be done.
See how hot that is? You can see the flame.
Alright, well this is our setup. It's kind of a mess. There's our generator. This is a welder we bought from Harbor Freight. We got it for $99. So, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. You can turn off the gen, Gabe. Thank you very much. Good job. Now we got to clean up, and then we're going to open the gates. Tomorrow's a big day. Ms. Terry and the architect are going to be in here kind of plotting out where they're going to build the actual house. So this is what we got now. Where there was no gate, we've made a gate. See that?
Just like that gate over there.
So these gates are pretty wide. They're almost 9 feet wide. That's why they didn't sell them. Well, they're, you know, you had to special order them. But who wants to pay $1,000 for cheap Chinese steel? American steel is coming back, so we just have to wait. So, anyways, there it is, and there's Gabe. He did a great job. Okay, Gabriel, put your hat on so we could see what it looks like on you. I'm trying to get you in a better light. There's a welder. So, what have you learned so far? There he is. There he is. I'm trying to get the right light, but
Last week,
there it is. There it is.
the last week, this week, I kind of learned how to weld.
You did?
Yep.
And what'd you learn? Don't look at it. Do you see the flame? All right. So here we are, and we're gonna sign out. Thank you very much.